welcome back to our maths class. Today, let us continue with our same chapter, chapter 11, patterns. We have learned it was a wonderful and colorful chapter, and we were learning it is an interesting chapter also. Today we are going to learn there are some rules for making patterns. When you make some patterns, you should follow some rules. Okay, for everything there are rules. For like that, in patterns also we have got some rules. Today I am going to explain the same rules. Whenever you make patterns with shapes, we use only 2D shapes. In the beginning of the chapter, we have seen some shapes we have used to make patterns. For example, circle. Pattern means the figure repeating in same order. One set of, here I am making one pattern with triangle, circle and square. And again it repeats. The same shape should be repeated. If we repeat the same way like triangle, then square and then circle, or in the beginning circle, it should not be a set of pattern, it is not matching with this. And also there is rule that we should follow is shapes. When we use shapes, we have to use 2D shapes. In geometry, we have already learned what is 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Okay, directly this has only 2D shapes only will be making patterns. When you make set of numbers with patterns, here I am doing one set of number 10. Next number 12. Next number 14. Here you can see this number is increasing by 2. Here 10 plus 2. Then again plus 2, 14. If I write here 15, it will not be matching. Here it is increasing only 1. This is not the part of this pattern. I hope you understood this. Now we will see we will see the book and we will understand more about patterns, and also we will solve our exercise. There is only one exercise in chapter 11 that we will solve.
Rules of patterns. Patterns follow a set of rules. We study patterns of shapes, numbers and letters of alphabet. Patterns of shapes are formed by 2D shapes that I have already explained. 3D shapes we will not use for making patterns. Patterns of numbers use digit 0 to 9, while letters patterns use the letters of the alphabet. But these patterns are formed following a rule or set of rules. Okay, when you make a patterns, there are set of rules. Rules means we have to follow some ideas, that rules that it should go like that. As we follow, the first rule should follow at the end. Rules means नियम बनाया जाता है patterns बनाने के लिए. Now let us see one number pattern. To find the patterns in an arrangement of numbers, we check for the following. First one, observe the first few numbers and see if there is a unit of repeat. That means we have already studied patterns means repeating a unit. Same thing we repeat. Then find out the difference between the first few numbers. Here we can see, for example, 10, 13, 16. Here in between 10 and 13, there is number 3 is increasing. And again Here the first few numbers when we check, there are increasing with 3 only. So we have to follow the same rules in the following numbers also. We can check. Here 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 3 22, 22 plus 3 25. So we can say this is a pattern. So here it is plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We are adding 3 with this. So we are getting a pattern. We observe the numbers and see the difference. The successor of each number is formed by adding 3 to the previous number. Rule of repeat is starting with 10 and add 3. Now let us see letter patterns. Letter patterns. In a letter pattern, the letters follow a rule. We identify the unit of patterns by comparing the first few letters. Identify the pattern rule in the following. A, B, C. Then D is missing. E, F, G. H is missing. Then we can say every fourth letter is missing. I, J, K. L is missing. M, N, O. The next letter. Then Q, R, S. T is missing. U, V, W. Here A, B, C. Skip D. Then E, F, G. Then skip H. I, J, K. Skip L, M, N, O. Then we are skipping P, Q, R, S. We are skipping T. The rule is starting with A. Skip every fourth letter. Then shapes. Shape pattern. In shape patterns, we compare the first few shapes and identify the pattern rule. Example, identify the pattern rule and complete the shape series. Here, what is this? A big square, big circle, small circle. Same. It is repeating big square, big circle, small circle. Here again it is repeating. Here big circle, big square, big circle and a small circle. So the next one will be, what will be there? The same we will repeat this 4. Here 4, 4, it is repeating. Here it is repeating. Now let us see from the next page solution. Here solution 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one will be same thing we have to repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number the shape. We will notice that the shapes numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 are repeated. So the series will be square, big square, big circle and a small circle. So repeated 4 times. It is repeated 4 times. Then now let's see exercise 11. Complete the following letter patterns. Here we have to complete the following letter patterns. Start B, skip. Here start from B and skip 1 letter each time. The rule. B, C skipping D, E skipping F, G skipping, then H, I skipping J, then K is skipping L, M is skipping N, N is O is skipping and P. The next one you see A, B is skipping C, D skipped E, F is skipping G, H is skipping I, J is skipping K, L skipping M, N is skipping O, P is skipping Q, R is skipping S, T is skipping U. Here see small a, capital A, B, C, D. Same E, F, G, H, I. They have made with one small letter and a capital letter. Small letter and capital letter. Here you see capital. It is beginning from capital letter A. Then small b and capital letter B. C, D and capital letter D. E, F and capital letter F. Same G, small and capital letter H. Here I, J, small and capital letter. K, capital, L, small and capital. M, capital, N, small and capital. O, capital, P, small and capital. Q, R, small and capital. Then A, B, C. See, every second letter is small letter. Every second letter is the group is small letter. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Then we will not get a next group. So we are leaving this. Okay. Y, Z only we will get. So 3 letters are not there. So we are skipping this. Now here complete the following number patterns and write the rules in the blank space. So here we are writing only 3 numbers, then we have to write the rule. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then 25 after increasing with 5, 30, 35, 40. The rule is start at 5 and add 5 each time. Then here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Then what is the rule? By observing that the few numbers in the beginning, we have understood that then start at 10 and add 10 each time. Then 125, 150, 175, 200. Then 225, 250, 275. Start at 125 and we can say and add 25 each time. So we will get next numbers. Here 900, 800. Here number is in decreasing the value. 700, 600. Then it will be 500, 400, 300. So we can say start at 900 and subtract 100 each time. Okay. Then 950, 900, 850, 800. So we can say 750 and 700. Then 650. Start at 950 and subtract 50 each time. This is the rule of this. Now let's see our exercise C. Our question number C. Make the next shape in the given pattern. Here you see starting a small circle, double number. 1 is here, 2 circles, 3 circles, 4 circles. Then next will be 5 circles. Here 1 line and second line is from parallel, it is given. Then 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4, here it is 5 lines are there. So we can draw 5 lines. Okay. 5 lines like this also. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here see arrow mark going up and here. And the mark coming down. And to right forward coming backward and forward it is going. So the next one will be one is going up and another one is going forward. Now here the smiley, happy face, sad face, happy face, sad face and happy face. Here triangle with 1 line, then triangle empty, here again repeating. So we can here empty one we can draw. Here write the first 4 terms of each pattern following the given rule. First 4 numbers we have to start at 20 and add each time. 20, 22, 24, 26. Start at 25 and add 5 each time. 25, 30, 35, 40. Start at 100 and add 10 each time. 100, 110, 120, 130. Start at 200 and 100 each time. 200, 300, 400, 500. Start at 100 and 50 each time. 100, 150, 200, 250. Here I have explained this exercise. Here it should be there. There is some doubt. Here you see, since it is given 5, 1, 2, 3 and again skipping 4, they are skipping and 5. So we can make that. Okay. Then every fourth one it will increase. Third, fourth one we will skip and this way we can do. So it will be the answer. So we have finished our chapter 11, that is for our third term examination. This you have to learn. January there will be a third term examination. You have to study chapter 5, 8 and also 11. Thank you. Have a nice day.